Hashwa ban rakhe ka International Yoga Day ka taha ka arpoitrik jelew arjar pusau. Ka Bhoi District Yogasana Sport Association haka sin ka bringkong kalayo ban Pynlong ka District Level Yogasana Sport Awareness Program haka jintroy lang bat ka Bhoi College lamat ka Office of District Sport Officer Bhoi ya ka blak Pynlong Bhoi College. Ka jintmu jung ka RBDYSA ban Pynlong ikum ka ni ka program ka long ban pentip syakipaj ba baka yoga asana ka di ka judging lek kai ka bengila ban syumenta ka balaya kot bor bat kiwi pat kijing lek kai bat ka ju ka por lingba ka ni ka program ki khun samla kin yo ban pnmlen yela de ban lek kai yoga khnang ba kin yo ka met ka basai ka baklan ha ka tika sngi lai don ringkat lang do state secretary MYSA di pan karnandi principal ka Bhoi College EC Beni M Singh in charge yoga cell Bhoi College kong YV Assembly program officer ka NSS Bhoi College haka jino lang gidi khot jungka RBDYSA ki bukan na du president usamla wan borlang malyang bat kiwe.
The District Sports Yogasana Sports Association has done this wonderful job of establishing this unit and spreading awareness among the students on various practices on yoga. As you are aware that United Nations has recognized India's biggest contribution to the world, that is yoga, and made the 21st of June every year as the International Yoga Day. India was a rich and prosperous country in the past, and it had very valuable traditions. One of these traditions is the yoga practice, practiced by the sannyasins, and through them it has spread, and in present day world yoga is an unavoidable practice that has taken the world over, rooted world over, and managed to prevent various calamities, diseases, and so on and so forth. So the practice of yoga is a very important thing. Knowing about yoga and the method of practicing yoga is a very important thing, very valuable thing in life. I don't want to give a long speech, but remember that we live in a country where various traditional practices were kept long time ago, and one of these practice, very valuable practice is yoga. And I have seen all over the country local bodies are pushing the practice of yoga or practicing yoga every day in the morning. Local clubs, local organizations, local ladies gathered in one compound, they practice daily the various asanas which will be taught by the president and the members of the state and district level